What's up, familia, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about concealer. How do you conceal your under eyes? I have experienced dark circles for ever since high school, I guess. That seems like a very long time, but yeah, I think that's accurate. And I have tried numerous concealers. And as I've aged, I've noticed that my under eye area is not the same. I mean, I can be honest with you. I feel like we're very close now. Hello, my name is Melanie, and I'm a concealer addict. And this is just a few. I have found over time, the best concealers to use is what works best for yourself. Now, it's always good to hear recommendations, so this is why I made this video to tell you which ones work for me. What works for me may not work for you, but doesn't mean you can't try it. Test it out and see what you prefer on your skin. I'm a little bit older, I'm getting close to 40, and I have to make sure that the type of concealers that I am using is something that is hydrating. It will camouflage my dark circles and my wrinkles. It stays all day, and it isn't thick, because when it's thick, then it starts to crease. For my top 5 concealers, some are drugstore brands and some are more expensive high-end brands. Top 5. Ready? The 5th favorite concealer that I have would be the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I love this concealer. It is the dupe for the NARS concealer, and this particular concealer I have to get in 2 different colors because of the summer, the winter, skin complexion changes, but this is lightweight. It does not crease. When you use it with a setting powder, it does not look cakey or thick in any way. My 4th favorite concealer would be the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This one is in shade number 25. This concealer is a little bit heavier. It's really good for event makeup. I also use it a lot for evening type makeup if I'm going out. It is a little bit thicker, which means it can tend to crease, but it would depend on your application technique. You don't want to apply a lot of this concealer, so it's going to matter the location that you actually put the concealer, the quantity of the concealer that you're applying, and the proper way to set this concealer. My 3rd favorite concealer would be the Revolution. It is the Conceal and Define. It is the dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. If you like Tarte Shape Tape, you have to try this concealer. It's only $7. What? This particular concealer, it's thicker, heavier. Again, just like the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, it will depend on the type of application you are using for this. Now, if you have mature skin, you want to be light-handed with your concealer. You also want to make sure that you don't apply any liquid foundation or even powder foundation to your under eye area, because the more product that you're putting there, the thicker the layers will be, and the more you can identify the texture of your skin. Try it. Let me know what you think. My 2nd favorite concealer is the Lancôme Long Lasting Under Eye Concealer. This concealer is bomb. I do like this concealer a lot, and it stays. It does stay. It sets well. It stays put. It does not cause any creasing, and I love it. And now for my number 1 favorite concealer. Drum roll, please. Maybelline Age Rewind This is life-changing. If you have not tried this concealer, you have to go out and get this concealer. I must say that I have a lot of Maybelline concealers because Maybelline makes great concealers. They really, really do. They are a drugstore brand that has upped their game. And if you are on a budget, like most people, then you have to check out Maybelline. Their concealer, the Age Rewind, this was actually introduced to me by my sister. I needed concealer because we were hanging out at the pool and we were going to go out to dinner, and I didn't bring my makeup bag with me. And she just went in her purse and she was like, here, try this. I tried it. I fell in love with this concealer. It makes your fine lines vanish. It really brightens the area. It is the best concealer that I have found. And I don't see myself steering away from this until I find a better one. So if you know of a better concealer, you better comment below and tell your girl, because I need to try it. Where I like to apply this, I use a triangle shape, and then I put it here in this area because I tend to have a little bit more redness. I sometimes put it here in my fine lines and then set it. It does not crease. That's why I absolutely love this. I'm wearing it now. I have worn it in almost all of my videos, and this concealer is extremely lightweight. Eliminates some of the fine lines that you tend to have. I'm a little bit older, I'm close to 40, and I need something that's going to help mitigate that when I do wear makeup, because if it shows, then it's gonna show your age, and who wants that? Not me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on social media, and until next time, bye guys.